Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best meatballs. And like we Brazilians said, almôndegas. I prefer saying almôndegas, but in English it's meatballs. Let's go get the ingredients. I got all the ingredients for you. I'm using this kind of meat, okay? I like it better than the regular one, but you can use any ground beef, okay? I'm gonna have onions. I have one onion here, okay? Cilantro. Garlic. Olives. Parmesan cheese. One egg. I'm gonna have some seasonings. I have rosemary, cayenne pepper, and thyme. Rosemary, cayenne pepper, thyme. And I also have Panko seasonings, okay? Okay. Now what you need is to put all your ingredients in this container here. So I'm gonna put the onions first. I already cut the onions. I've frozen my garlic. It's already all mashed up. So it's easy to put it in. I'm putting the olives and the cilantro. There you go. Now we're just gonna turn this thing on. I'm gonna make a little bit of noise. Waiting for this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now you have a bowl, and I'm going to put the meat in. I have a knife right here. Just dump in there. I have two packets. Sorry. Dois. Oops. Okay. Now, you just need to have fun putting all this stuff together. Gonna move this out of the way. First, I'm going to put the seasonings. The cheese. I'm going to put some salt. I don't like too salty, so this is it. 1 egg, just to get everything blended in together. Now I'm gonna put my seasonings. Now if you don't like, or if you don't have the seasonings that I have, you just put whatever you have. I'm putting rosemary. Just put a dash there, and a bit of cayenne pepper, just to get some kick. This is thyme. It takes time. It takes time. Sometimes I take the thing off. It's much easier because I love thyme. Okay. Fresh pepper. A little bit of much. And Panko. About, let me see what this is. Half a cup. It doesn't look like half a cup. Yes, I don't know my own dishes. Now, I'm just gonna get into it. make this dish in the air fryer, okay? But if you don't have an air fryer, you're welcome to make it in the oven, okay? I'm just gonna make some balls. As simple as that. I want the balls to be pretty much the same size. Now I'm just gonna boil some water with a little bit of salt to make the pasta. Let me just add the salt. I like my water a little bit on the salty side. There you go. The pasta is ready. I'm just gonna take the water out. Now I'm gonna use my favorite tomato sauce, Truffes Porcini and Cream. That's my secret. Try it. I'm gonna just heat it. While that is heating, I'm gonna get the meatballs. Now we can put this together. You can put your favorite pasta. And now comes the sauce. Now I'll just sprinkle a little bit of cheese. A little bit? No, a lot. Just some pieces of cilantro. Delicious, guys. I hope you try my recipe. Please, if you like this recipe, hit the like button. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel so you can see more recipes from Helma's Kitchen. Ciao.